Okay, so the first thing to notice about this question is that we're working in radians. Yeah, so we need to give this 3 sine x plus 2 cos x in the form r sine x plus alpha. So expand the right hand side, so we get r sine x cos alpha plus r cos x sine alpha. And then what we're going to do is to compare the coefficients. So I've got a sine x over here and a sine x here. So r cos alpha must equal 3. And then similarly on this side, there's my cos x, there's my cos x. So what's left over is r sine alpha, so that must equal 2. So r sine alpha is equal to 2. And then to find r, remember r squared is equal to 3 squared plus 2 squared. So r is going to be the square root of 9 plus 4. R is the square root of 13. And then tan alpha, well, tan is sine over cos, so tan alpha is 2/3. So alpha is the inverse tan of 2/3. And get your calculator, and this comes out to be 0.5880. Part B then wants the maximum value of 3 sine x plus 2 cos x to the 4. So if we replace 3 sine x plus 2 cos x by what we found out in part A, we end up with this expression here. Now, what we need to do is raise root 13 to the 4, and then the maximum value of sine x plus 0.588. Well, the maximum value that a sine function can take is 1, so this would be 1 to the power 4. So what we end up with is 13 times 13, so maximum value would be 169. Part C wants the solution to this equation, so again replace the left hand side by what we found out in part A. So root 13 sine x plus 0.588 is equal to 1. So the sine of x plus 0.588 is equal to 1 over root 13. So if we inverse sine both sides, x plus 0.588 is equal to, remember we're in radians here, so 0.28103 off your calculator. Now, because we're dealing with sine, the next value is going to be pi minus this, or 180 minus this, but radian, so pi. So pi minus 0.28103. But the thing to notice here is when I subtract 0.588 from this side, I'm going to get a negative answer, which is out of range. So what I need to do is find a third solution to compensate for losing this one. So my third solution is going to be 2 pi plus this first one. So 2 pi plus 0.28103. So x plus 0.588 is going to be equal to, I'm going to ignore that one because I know it's not going to work. This comes out to be 2.8606, and the last one comes out to be 6.5642. And then finally I want to subtract 0.588 for everything, so this gives me 2.273, and this last one here gives me an answer of 5.976.